That's just it.
Services, who, as you can appreciate, already quite stretched this afternoon. Cumbria Police warning that all roads surrounding Keswick are blocked and badly affected by large areas of surface water, in particular the A66, and that's the Keswick side of Bassenthwaite and Embleton. Motorists advised not to travel unless absolutely necessary, as it would pose a major risk to personal safety and the safety of other members of the public. We will, of course, keep you up to date throughout the course of the afternoon on the weather and flooding situation around the county. Let's take in a spell of commentary for the time being. 3:15 kick-off this one in Evo Stick Premier. Our only surviving fixture today, it's Buxton against Workington Reds at Silverlands today. Steve Durham and John Walsh.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. The two teams just being introduced to the crowd. The two sides meeting the officials this afternoon. The referee, I can tell you, is Mr. Simeon Lucas from Darwin, and they're now just breaking away. Workington are in all yellow with those red slashes across the shirts and from left to right, and they're going to be defending, it looks like, the goal to our left. I can tell you that the Workington side is Alex Mitchell in goal, Jake Simpson and Gary Roundtree, the full-backs, Cal May and Josh Calvert are the two centre-backs. We've got
on the left of him,
James Earl, Rob Wilson and Connor Tinian. Very, very fluid, of course. It was a 4-3-3 at times last week. And then there's Joe McGee and Scott Allison. On the bench this afternoon, Gareth Arneson, last week's match winner, Aaron Taylor, Anthony Wright, Sam Smith and Rob McCartney. Alongside me is Steve Durham, who's just been down pitch.
it is very bad
It's not having this
across
payphone.
most of the country this afternoon, but our region not faring too well. Said the both directions on the A684 flooding into Station Road and the B6257. Thanks for your calls about that.
Hello?
Burnside, the A6
Yeah, right.
southbound, close flooding
Yeah.
between Helm Lane and
Yeah, so we haven't heard anything about that on the radio. How do you know about the junction thing? Yeah, alright, well.
Also looking at 11 to both directions on the A6 blocked with
Yeah.
slow traffic that's flooding into Moss Side Road. Looking on the trains as well, replacement bus services are trying to...
Yeah, okay, well, we'll have to, we'll figure it out anyway, so we're on our way.
No service particularly.
Don't know, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes, but all these roads are just totally blocked. Well, not blocked, but they're getting there. Yeah, there's a lot of stalled cars in the middle of the water and that, so you're better off than in a car, I suppose. I don't know. I just pull up by, you know, where the on the Barrow platform side. It's on the opposite side from town.
Closer to Keswick. You can keep us up to date. 81333. So text number, start message. We're working for you.
We've got waves on the road. Is that what we want?
Where do you think that's coming from then? From the field?
Yeah, just drive on the bridge. I can't think it's waves on the road.
You're turning everyone round here. Bollocks. My car's going straight down, can you see? That's pretty deep on that, mate. Look, Jesus.
Unbelievable, isn't it? Look at that mini.
It means getting wet feet. We're going to get wet feet here. Might end up on the roof.
No, it's getting shallower, I can tell. Let's keep it up. Fuck me.
Oh my god.
Must be carried down